Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to another recipe vlog. So I brought you guys today chicken potato stew. In Middle East it's called Aloo Chicken shorba. So it's gonna be based on chicken mainly, potatoes, and it's gonna have onion, tomato paste, and of course it's gonna have some butter in there as well. So let's watch the recipe. Stay tuned for it. Alright, so this is one onion in the blender, and I'm adding 4 cloves of garlic. It's gonna go all in here, and we're gonna blend the onion and garlic now. Added a little bit water in the blender, and we're gonna blend the onions now and the garlic. We're gonna add oil. So this is our onion and garlic blend, which goes in the oil. Alright, so we're gonna fry the onions on the paste. So now we're gonna add the chicken. This is whole chicken into small pieces. So we're adding the chicken. So we're gonna leave the chicken at least for 5 minutes. Alright friends, so in the dry ingredients I'm using red chili powder, some salt, black pepper, crushed red chili, and this is the chicken seasoning. I mean, you guys can get any chicken seasonings, stew seasoning for the recipe. And these are 3 potatoes. I chopped it into cube form, so we're gonna add that in a minute. I'm adding all the dry ingredients now, all together, right on top of the chicken. So we're gonna mix it up just so that all the dry ingredients touch our unseasoned meat. So the color looks so amazing already. Adding the potatoes, the chopped potatoes. So I have 2 tomatoes right there, and I added the water, and we're gonna blend those tomatoes now. We're gonna add the tomato paste, the fresh tomato paste right there. We're gonna add some tomato hunt sauce. It gives nice color as well to the stew. So just mix your gravy stew just like that, and then we're gonna cover it up and leave the lid on top. In this time guys, you can check the salt and the peppers from the sauce, and you can add or subtract. For me, I did taste it, it is yummy though. So I'm gonna just cover now and leave it for 20 minutes. Alright, I'm adding just for the aroma. These are the Shishito peppers. They are not spicy at all. They are good for the aroma, so I'm adding this for the aroma. Alright, I'm gonna just cover the pot and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes on the slow flame. Alright friends, so it's been 15 minutes. Let's check on our stew. Oh, wow. Looks ready. Yep. Yeah, the meat is soft. The potatoes are soft. Alright guys, let me dish this out and show you the final product. Alright, I dished out the whole big plate. I'm gonna just put some cilantro on top. It looks appetizing though. Alright friends, so the stew is ready. You can serve this stew with rice or bread. I'm taking these naan breads with that, and I have my friend coming over, so we're gonna share this stew together. I hope you guys like the video. I will see you guys tomorrow with another and new recipe. So take care. Bye now.